Hi, thanks for stopping by. Um, I wanted to show you a step-by-step demonstration of how to draw birds today. This is the picture we're going to make. Okay, so you've got three birds, you've got lots of flowers and it's in a circular shape, so it leaves you lots of room to add in extra pattern and detail. I'm going to go through it so you can follow me. Um, do your best and have fun with it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is do a step by step of each of the birds. Okay, so feel free to rewind this if you need to, or keep up with me at your own pace. Okay, so like we always talk about in our class, we always start with the feature that is most prominent. So in this one, we're going to do the eye first. We do a nice little dot for that. In front of that, we're going to do a curved line. And we're going to do its belly. So we're going to bring it out a little bit. I'm going to give it a little bit of a tummy and bring it down into another little curved line there. Now we're going to continue to do the back. So bring the back here, do the curve, and we're going to do a little flick at the tail. And we're going to do three little pieces there to do the tail. Now, this little guy is going to be perched on a branch, so we're going to just do a few little pieces here and then a long leg stretched out, 1, 2, 3 little toes, shorter one, 1, 2, 3. Now do his beak. This guy is looking up, so a little gentle beak, and we can do a little few lines here to denote the feathers. Okay, you don't even have to put in too much detail. Okay, so that's birdie number one. We'll go into the second one. So this guy's going to be looking over to the left. So again, we're going to start off with the dot for the eye. We're going to do a curved line in front of it, coming out onto his curved line for its back. Now we're going to put in his tummy. So this guy's a little bit chubbier. We'll give him a nice little belly. And then 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do its tail then longer. 1, 2, 3 for its tail. And we can do these little marks here to donate the feathers. And then again his feet. So this guy's feet are coming forwards, a straight line, 1, 2, 3 little curved lines, straight line down, 1, 2, 3 little curved lines, and his beak is pointing over to the other bird. It's like they're having a little conversation. Now we've got a little guy down in the bottom here. So these can be placed anywhere on your page when you're doing your picture. Again, dot for an eye, curved line for the head, gentle curved line for the back, curved line for his tummy, straight line 1, 2, 3 and back up, and that's going to be for his foot. And this guy's going to have a little tail coming out as well, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, and we can do these curves so their feathers are coming up their body. Again, you can do these little dots to donate the feathers. So this guy's going to be looking up, so I'm going to point his beak up. And his feet are quite jaunty. So the first one is a short straight line and 1, 2, 3 curved lines. And then this one's coming up at the middle of his body and it's 1, 2, 3. Now, depending on where you have placed these on your page is going to determine where you're putting the branch. So all of these will have a little branch that are coming up. Okay. And the only thing you need to make sure is that their branch is coming under their feet somewhere. And then at the end of the branches, we're going to put our flowers. So for our flowers, you've got, I'm just doing 3 little bumps like that, and then larger ones. So 1, 2, 3. But you can make these whatever way you want. Okay. Now sometimes it can be nice to make a frame around, so we're going to just bring it around in a circular shape or kind of an oval shape. And this can be kind of fun just to make a frame. You can treat this part of the page differently to this part of the page, and you can make interesting marks. Okay, so at this stage you can go in and do some more detail. I like to do little lines, but you can do this afterwards once you have all your painting done. It's totally up to you. I hope that's clear and that you will have fun trying it out. Next you'll see me painting the example. It's a little bit different to this, but it should give you a little bit of an idea of creating some kind of textures and colours. All right. Okay, so here's my final picture. Got some nice texture in the corner. And you can feel free to go over those lines with your black marker again if you want to make them punch. And once that paint is dry, you can always go over it again with markers to add in more pattern and more detail. Have lots of fun. Thank you.